Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not alone, I'm with my bestie, my lovely Taya.
We forgot.
Yes. And guys, today we are going to play a game. Okay, so firstly, Taya, please tell me, где мы?
Мы в Буковеле.
Yes, it's west side of Ukraine, and we are going to play a game. And so, guys, you need to tell us in the comments below how many words did you know. So everything would be related to Bukovel, right, Taya?
And Carpathian Mountains.
Yes, exactly. Look at this beautiful surrounding. As you see, we are just having fun, right? Yes, guys. Guys, ski lift in Russian is подъемник. Подъемник. We just skip ski. We just say lift. Подъемник.
Ladies, what is the name for hay in Russian?
Это сено. Это сено.
Thank you.
Guys, что это? Это дудка. Это дудка. This is a pipe. Guys, let's hear how do I play on a pipe. Please comment below, do you like my playing?
It's easy.
I did my best. Do you like my playing? Drop a comment.
Ladies, what is the Russian name for sheep?
Это овцы.
Это овцы. These are sheep.
Thank you.
My hair. Yes.
A calf in Russian is теленок. Теленок. I guess it was very hungry. Теленок. A fawn is олененок. Олененок. So cute, isn't it?
Maryna, what is the Russian word for sled?
Это сани. Это сани.
Thank you.
Девушки, что это?
Это горы. Это горы. These are mountains.
Guys, это трембита. Это трембита. This is the longest instrument in the world.
Now it's a dying elk.
Drop a comment what you think about my playing.
Maryna, what is the Russian word for swing?
Это качеля. Это качеля.
Thank you.
Очень большая качеля.
Очень means very. Большая big.
Okay.
Майкл, что это? You can say это шляпа.
Это шлаба.
Yes, это шляпа.
Это шлаба.
Yes, good job. This is a hat, шляпа.
What's that you're holding up, Maryna? It looks like an iron. How do you say iron in Russian?
Это утюг. Это утюг. And actually, guys, you can put here some tips.
Thank you.
Guys, take a look at this upside down house. The house in Russian is dom. But if you want to say upside down house, you will say это перевернутый дом. Это перевернутый дом. This is an upside down house. Перевернутый дом.
Michael? Here?
Yes,
Michael? Oh my god, it's so heavy. Что это?
Это пиво.
Yes, это пиво, and you can see 5 samples of beer. Would you dare to try that? Michael, would you dare to try that?
No.
Okay, maybe you, please comment.
How do you say liqueur in Russian?
Это ликер. Это ликер.
Thank you. Ladies, how do you say wine in Russian?
Это вино. Это
Thank you.
Что это?
Марина, это мороженое.
Это мороженое.
Guys, what are we wearing? Это платки. Это платки.
Guys, don't forget to like
Share.
and subscribe.
Yay! Пока-пока.
Пока-пока.